I just tested positive for the coronavirus. Excuse me, man. Can you help me? Excuse me. Can you help me? I just tested positive for that corona stuff.